Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an inner broiler drawer glide in your gas range, pull out the broiler drawer and use a flathead screwdriver to depress the outer glide retaining tabs to fully remove the drawer assembly. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 front screws and the rear screw securing the inner glide assembly. You may need to use a 1/4-inch wrench to loosen the front screw. Install the new inner broiler drawer glide assembly by aligning it on the drawer, then thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Pry the outer glide rail retaining tabs back out to secure the drawer once you reinstall it. Align the inner glides with the outer glides and slide the drawer all the way in.